All right, let's talk about something really cool. Have you ever wished you could just calculate your health? Boil it down to a single clear number that tells you exactly where you stand and, more importantly, what to fix? Well, today we're going to dive into a revolutionary system that does exactly that. It's called the Dernawi Core Health Framework, or DCHF, and it was developed by the visionary practitioner Dr. Yousef Dernawi.
It's a strange paradox, isn't it? We live in an age of absolute medical miracles. But at the same time, chronic illness is just exploding. So what gives? Dr. Dernawi really hits the nail on the head with this quote. He's not saying medicine is bad. He's saying that for chronic disease, we're simply using the wrong map.
And look, this isn't just a vague feeling we all have. The numbers are just staggering. When you see a statistic like this, autoimmune conditions tripling in 30 years, it's impossible to ignore. It screams that our current approach of just managing symptoms, well, it's missing something huge. We need a new way of thinking.
And that brings us to the core philosophy here. See, Dr. Dernawi's background is in veterinary pathology, and he noticed something crucial. With animals, you always fix their internal environment, their terrain, first. You fix the soil before you worry about the plant. The DCHF applies that exact same wisdom to us. It shifts the focus from just fighting outside threats or pathogens to restoring the health of our own internal terrain. Okay, so here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to start with the master equation itself. Then we'll break down each of its components, norm, the hidden load, and energy. After that, we'll see how it all comes together to give you an actual health score, and we'll wrap up with the bigger vision behind this whole framework.
So let's get right to the heart of it. This isn't just a concept or a nice idea. It's a practical tool. It's a new way to see, to measure, and to actually improve your health with real clarity.
And here it is. Health equals norm times energy, all of that divided by your hidden load. Now, I want to be super clear. This is not just a metaphor. Every single variable in this equation is designed to be measured, to be scored, and to be tracked over time. It makes your well-being tangible. The easiest way to think about it is like this. Everything on the top of the equation, norm and energy, that's all the good stuff. Those are your body's resources, your capacity for healing, everything working for you. And the stuff on the bottom, the hidden load, well, that's everything working against you. It's simple, right? When your resources are high and your burdens are low, your health is going to thrive. Okay, let's start unpacking this, piece by piece, starting with that first variable on top, norm. These are what Dr. Dernawi calls the absolute non-negotiables. This is the foundation of your health.
The framework uses this fantastic analogy called the square of health. Imagine you're building a house. You need 4 strong cornerstones, right? Here they are: nutrition, oxygenation, regeneration, think sleep and repair, and movement. Now here's the key. If even one of those pillars is weak or starts to crumble, the entire structure of your health is going to get wobbly and unstable over time. You got to support all 4.
All right, now let's flip the equation over and look at the denominator, the hidden load. And honestly, this is the key to that frustrating mystery of why some people seem to do everything right. They eat clean, they exercise, but they just can't get well. It's because they're carrying this invisible weight. And this weight isn't just one thing. It's made up of 5 different categories that all add up. Toxins from our environment, hidden chronic infections, underlying inflammation, metabolic problems, and of course, psychological stress. Together, they create this cumulative burden that just drains your body's ability to heal itself. And we're not talking about abstract ideas here. This is real-life stuff. For toxins, think about mercury in old dental fillings or living in a moldy building. For chronic infections, maybe it's a hidden issue in your jawbone or a lingering virus like Epstein-Barr that never fully went away. And the psychological burden, that's the very real weight of unresolved trauma or just complete and utter burnout. All of it adds up. So, we've got our foundation, which is norm, and we've got the stuff weighing us down, the hidden load. But there's one more crucial piece on top of our equation, energy. This is the engine. This is what actually powers the whole process of healing. The DCHF defines energy with this brilliant triangle of energy. It's not just about calories. It's about 3 things. 1, how well are your little cellular batteries, your mitochondria, actually making energy? 2, how well is your body's communication network, your hormones, working? And 3, do you have the spark plugs, the vitamins and minerals needed to kick off all the reactions? This is exactly why you can eat a perfect diet but still feel totally and completely exhausted. Okay, so when you finally put all of that together,
your foundations, your hidden burdens, your energy engine, you don't just get a theory. You get a tangible, actionable result. You get your health score. And this right here is where the magic really happens. The equation spits out a score that lands you in one of these 6 very clear levels. A score under 2 means severe illness, while a score over 12 is excellent health. This single number tells you and your doctor exactly where you are on your journey. And even better, it points to which variable in the equation needs the most attention right now.
So as you can probably tell, the DCHF is so much more than just a clever equation. It's really a complete vision for a new kind of healthcare. It's a logical, clear roadmap that can guide anyone back to health.
What this really represents is that fundamental paradigm shift we talked about. It moves us away from the endless game of whack-a-mole with symptoms and toward actively restoring the body's internal terrain. It's just a powerful, systematic approach, created by Dr. Yousef Dernawi with the goal of transforming our entire health system from the ground up.
Now, we've really just scratched the surface today. If this has sparked your curiosity and you want to dive deeper, and believe me, there's a lot to dive into, including a whole 14-book library that supports this, you can find everything at dernawi.com.
So I'll leave you with one final empowering question. If your health really is an equation, just looking at your own life through this new lens, which variable is calling for your attention first? Is it your foundation? Is it your energy? Or is it the hidden burdens you might be carrying? Because knowing where to start, well, that's the first step to solving the whole thing.